Hey there, everyone. Today we are going to hit the ground running with setting up automations in Jira in less than 5 minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be a whiz at automating tasks to maximize efficiency in your project management processes. So let's get started. First off, it's important to note that you'll need certain permissions to create automation rules. You must either be a Jira administrator or a project administrator to make this magic happen. So if you are one, buckle up. If you're not, well, it might be time to go have a chat with your boss. We'll kick off with defining the trigger. Our trigger is the event that sets your automation rule in motion. It's kind of like setting off a domino rally. Your domino is your project in Jira. To take this first step, you'll need to navigate to your project in Jira, maneuver on over to Project Settings. From there, you'll want to select Automation. You'll see it sitting pretty in that left-hand menu. Now comes the interactive part, clicking the Create Rule button. After you select this, a list of triggers will appear, kind of like a menu at a restaurant. From this menu, you'll select Issue Created, and then you just hit Save, and voila! Your trigger is all set up and ready to go. Coming hot on the heels of triggering is the action. This is where the actual magic happens. It's the end result of your trigger. It's what your rule actually churns out. So you're going to select New Component, and from the list that appears, choose Action. Next up, you'll select Assign Issue. This is where it gets a little tricky. On the configuration screen, you'll need to look under the Assign Issue to drop-down menu and select Project Lead. Don't forget to save your work. If you wish to add a condition to the mix, like only assign if the issue type is task, you could add a condition component between the trigger and the action. Now, onto the naming part. Just like parents with a newborn, you ought to give your project a descriptive yet catchy name, e.g., auto-assign new issue to Project Lead. Then you're going to hit the Turn It On button in the bottom right corner. And just like that, you've done it. Your rule is now live, breathing, and ready to streamline your processes. You successfully created an automation rule that will automatically assign any newly created issue in this project to the designated project lead. You might be excited to see your handiwork in action, and if so, feel free to test it immediately by creating a new issue. For more in-depth details on the full capabilities of Jira automation, like smart values and complex branching, you should definitely head over to the official Atlassian Jira automation documentation. Alright, folks, that wraps up our speedy lesson on setting up Jira automation. If you found this video useful, please do smash that like button and drop any questions or thoughts you have in the comments below. Of course, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering tutorials like this one. Until the next time, happy automating.